Welcome back, Speak My Mind family, to your evening video. From why they wanna get a whole heap of double whopper, you know. From why they wanna get in a few whoppers, boy. But as me telling you, once the content is there and me can double, me I got double. Worse if me have the time to do so. I want to tell you no drama too. I just don't do a video, you know. Come out the door and two we have a very overcast morning from that windstorm that we have yesterday, and then the Saharan dust, you know, will affect us in Jamaica at this present moment. We have some bad weather, some trough from yesterday. If you go up on the backup channel, you will see me post a video with a few little, you know, clips of things that happen around a little general area, and even the bird were melted. Me I tell you, but God at work. Man at work why God can't work. I saw it go. I feel in place. But me just don't do a video before me do that one, yeah. Which the intention was to do this after. Reason being, the next video what me just do is for a man. It's about tea girl, and to me know she love delete. Me just not bother wait to say when me go feed it delete. She there over there throw one bag of shades and she attack. And remember me telling about the video I do, you must see yesterday the first time I say, listen if you are come out, this is our ways, our style. Me already know you. Majority of we know you like we hand back. And me tell you say soon here she come out with her any live she do after the one she do yesterday the morning. When me do the video after we she talk about she will get lawyer for subpoena companies. And me tell you no say listen out sooner or later, she come out and talk about stars and cash up. And so said, so done. Y'all pin cash up, y'all hide the stars. When I say she lock off the stars, because she want direct money to come in her account, because you know, say if she work with the stars, she have to go wait till next month because payment gone already. So she have to go wait till next month when payment come again from Facebook, and she want ready cash. Anyway, I not talk about too much about the video there. Catch it a man. But this is one you know, as me say, a weather time. And weather time, them say when a weather time, the best place is there your yard, you know. Yeah, man, I know gunshot people are the old careless bike boy them. You know, the best place is there at your yard. And then say, Bat and Chimmy work alongside them one another. Because you see worse if you have outdoor toilet and rain a fall, dog eat your supper. If you can't afford chimney, or back in the days where them would have say pail, you know the enamel pail, the car sitting like them half size bucket. But then you also use as pail. You have to draw for some farmer bucket now. Either paint, bucket, paint, pan, butter pan. You understand? So, bat and chimney go together. So you see that video here? It's about bat and chimney. The Wasp and Curly. But the two of them, I don't like them, I go at them one another. You know, me just a double up in the video with the two of them. And when me realize, I say, but wait, not two past friends. But we come out here people because the reason why me involve the Wasp in that video here, me want to ask her a question. Before me ask her a question, please me ask you, please and thanks, you go and do the do. You know the do. Now me tell you the do, you know. Oh sorry, me have to tell the new people them. You don't hear when I say, and down here I say do the do, new people. If you don't get used to it, you don't hear, do the do. That means like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend and hit the thumbs up with the video, and please to watch the ads. That's how you support the channel. If you're a supporter, if you're a fan, just go and spin until your coil burn up and you can't plug in to make it no current out of your supporter we say. You understand? We don't want to not skip the ads them. You understand? You don't love lavish more than me? You don't love lavish more than me? So you not skip the ads them for. Support the channel. Watch the ads them. If the ads them too long, like them half an hour, 15 minutes ads them, 20 minutes ads them, me not telling you to sit down and watch it, but watch at least 2 minutes out of it. Watch at least 2 minutes out of the long ads then. Yes man. Anyway, we can get into the video. Oh, remember, Tamika Douglas TV, Life with Gabby and Chevy. Second day in the week, last week, we never go on so good, but it never go on bad either. Better than the week before. Remember, me have on 10 subscription a week for them. And to that Thursday, second day, that a Wednesday the week start every week. Because we start count for the other week when it start. You understand? Anyway, Wasp, let me ask you a question. Queen Wasp. Them say your name King Wasp. Not even King B, them say, you know, King Wasp. Them say he's not a producer. He's a destroyer. I mean, I thought the one who like to kill mosquito. Me I talk about he's a destroyer. When you come to destroy human business, human being business and human being character. No mosquito destroyer. Destroyer. Why you loving in my comment section, so? You ever see me come on your platform come comment yet? If me even watch your platform and say you get the views from me, you never see me comment yet. You're free if you comment still, you know, once you comment respectfully still. Me not have a problem. You know, me not go tell you say you can't comment. But me just ask why you loving in my comments, so. Me do a video and the video is not about you, but you're still coming at me comment. Remember, you know, the video is not about you, but you're still jumping at me comment. For what reason? Is it that you're a big friend from Tina Chin? Me don't know, me ask you. You're begging friend from Tina Chin? Me don't know. Or it's because you do a video where Mishit Bradshaw come out and give you advice how to deal with the situation with 99 and your reimbursement of your funds and you refuse to take the advice because you say you live in America a long time, as well she say you live in America, so you're supposed to know. So you know. But basically what you're trying to say here, you are going to defend your $415 or whatever cents. But you are waiting until after the gala because you don't want to cause any more drama towards the gala to make it look as if you are, you know, like definitely want to bring something directly to bring down the drama, the gala, so you don't want no more drama. So you wait. But you see, me can't speak for American laws. But one thing for sure, me know in a Jamaica, yeah. Once it is there, no refund. We not busy with you. We not busy with you. No refund. It is clear there is no refund. So how you gonna buy ticket now and buy ticket and come back one refund? You know, say anywhere me go and me see them say no exchange or no refund, me not buy there. No way at all when me go see that sign, because you have some people have the audacity to put up sign like that in them business place. No exchange, no refund. I know there are certain things what can't be exchanged. I mean, I have no problem with no refund. You understand? Because that only makes sure, say, when you go there to go buy, make sure you know say you buy where you want or the right thing you buy. But at the same time, some of them you go there to go buy the screw. And you tell them say you want wall screw. And them give you metal screw. And you say when you go back with the metal screw or wall screw, you tell them you want, them and tell you say no refund and no exchange. And you give me the wrong thing. So you're supposed to refund my money if you not have what me want. Some of them I tell you about them and give you one, where you call it again? One signal where them right. It have a name, I don't know what name, but it's like a check where you can come use it at any time and shop, but them now give you back your money. One time I have to get mad in one business place, you see. Me say my money not gone nowhere yet. I wanna give me wrong things. And my money not gone, I not see no brains come here, I not see no back door for my money go. So why my money in this and I can't get it back and I only give me wrong things? Hey? And when me get mad, manager if he come and hand me back the money, because I say watch out. Me ask the wall and them give me metal. And not my fault. So this is where this question have to use now, because only give me wrong thing. But unlike you, Queen Wasp, where you say, what is there? No refund to a ceremony and you buy your ticket. And then when you buy your ticket, You find excuse and talk about you have been threatened by somebody who has stand up at the gate who is not on the security details or the security team of the event, who is not going to even be at the event, and I use that about you feel threatened and you want back your money. There is no solid grounds for you to get back your money. But as me say, I don't know about American law. You understand? People. So she come out where Mishit Bradshaw is concerned. So it come like she do that video, she want me highlight her. So I'm going to highlight the video what she do. But I'm going to tell her what she come in and me comment now with a video that me post with the T-Dog, aka CMSO TV, that video there. I don't want to tell me call her name in there because I don't remember. Go and make your money, because that's all you do it for. Even though I know it, you can't fool her. So basically, at the start of the comment, you single out me. Go and make your money. That's when you talk to me because my comment is in. But at the end of the comment, uno go and make uno money. No. Uno can't fool her. Uno can't fool her. That means you talk about more than one of them. If you address me, I might comment it in. Me never gain a pass to come in and me comment. But as me say, once you comment respectfully, no problem. You understand? But you never see me on your platform in your comment. I might watch your videos where you get the views, but I don't comment on the platform because I don't comment on people like on the platform. Because I don't want to say something I don't feel disrespectful. I don't want to feel like say. As a matter of fact, when like me come on your platform, you might feel like me I disrespect you. I don't want to come on your platform. That's why I don't go on the platform. I stay within my lane. But when you go say, go and make your money because that's all you do it for. So let me ask you a question. As I say out here, you know. Some people come out here in social media. Social media is not like back in the days. When people go on Facebook, just know say yes, them can interact with people across the world, families and friends, and meet new friends. Like when we used to, like, you know, social media was a step of improvement. Like when you did have pen pal and them sitting there where you write, pen pal and them sitting there and you write, letter and all them sitting there. That is a step of the improvement. Gone are the days, that's not about again. Every man, job, man, woman and child will come on social media and have a social media platform where can earn $1. Want earn $1. But as me said, the thing is how far you're going to take it and what you're going to do to earn the dollar. Like Uno will try to bring down people to earn $1 because Uno will never get paid. So you see it? It's even worse. Uno try to bring down people for free. Uno try to bring down people business for free when you take the woman cake and you go size up with the other two woman them cake. You understand? When you go to Western Union, when you do all these things, you understand what I say to you? But at day one, me never do nothing like that. And I am still here after 2 years doing what me I do from start. Me not run go beg no friend or beg no partner, excuse me or me change from who me used to be before. No. I am original. Me no call me so me no turn nothing different. Call me alone you turn. You understand? But unlike you. So on me make you not get no acceptance over planker shop from the plankers or the planker boss. On me. You no choose the wrong road so you just stay upon it till the day come. When a judgment. You understand what I say to you? You no try to come out and come bring down nobody else where they see the right road, choose the right road, stay upon the right road, and see where them can achieve from the right road. And nobody cause you if you not do that. Why you not left your work where you go every day? You're 95 where you go. Why you not left it and stay home? No, you gotta work because you want to work. Social media is not my only source of income. And I will say it again. Moon mind find a day when social media am a source of income like all a day like today now. And I wake up and I see all this weather your people. I not have to come out a door. I lock up and sleep because my wife love me. How you talk about? You see my wife when them sleep, she love me. When me go and wake up, sleep. You're there for you going sleep. Oh. So unlike you, left your 9 to 5 man and go home. You're not supposed to work enough money and bowl for retirement, put on savings, man. Or your gala it out and your sandals it out and vacation it out like your friend. Because birds of a feather flock together, you know. Yes man, birds of a feather flock together. Anyway, we're gonna get in our video. I don't know for you, but I don't know you love my comments, so but I could get in our video.
You know who this is? This is your girl, Queen B. Queen B is in the mother effing house. Una like it, can bite it and put it in their pipe and light it. Yes.
Every time you hear the hypocrisy in her voice, how hypocritical she is. You hear it in her voice.
Big up yourself, Bobisha. You always attack me in things. I don't know why. But anyway.
One other mix up one that, you know. One other slow one where it come like her tongue wrap around her gum or wrap around her wild pipe. You understand? Her words them cannot project properly. And she they all over in a social media on every platform and everybody business. You can't know the real mix up them. She there so today and tomorrow she carry news pan you over there so to somebody else. And then tomorrow that one day over there so she carry news pan you for over there she gone over there so. Yes man, that's the same one the way she call her name.
I was tagged into a video and by the time I forgot.
And when I just see her in a ear her, I see her say a nice decent somebody because the way she go on. You can't remember one idea because you can't live like me. You can't this look for me live like she say a upscale part of America me live. Look here, I'm a man at this, I'm a man at that. And you all this come out here going like top. Come like some old social media rubbish. Because when I come out here and go like top, I don't have no time for this. I want to busy making money and all kind of things. And when you look, the time I want to find in a social media for the all about. What time I want to find for the business. I want to couldn't be no top and the all about in a social media. Coming like Lego bees so. I carry news from one place to the other. How are they me here the one name? But she did with what? Politician about her out. Oh, she used to carry news to her. She used to share her beer. She carry news to her. Yes, man. And then people are your leakage and talk about your change. Which part of your change? Or if you change and she always attack you in things. Because you know you mix up.
All me can hear and Michelle. Michelle said she come out for address me and me she come out for address. And she go on with herself.
She come out for address you. Because she want you to know how to get back your money from 99 because she figure more or less say you must get back your money and you have to get back your money. You understand? But what? You just want to come make a video because you want to show say, okay, I'm not going to go about it the wrong way. I don't want your advice because your advice is just because you want me to bring down this lady. I am a changed person. I am no longer in what you're into, Michelle. You and Larry the Lizard. I'm no longer in that. I will just wait until after the gala. And after the gala, I take it to the right place where I'm supposed to go and see if I get back my money. And if I don't get back my money and I insist that I want back my money, then I will take it from there. But I don't need your advice, Mishit Rocha. You come play decent. Eh? What you try to do? Come out, come get an impression. Like say, oh, I'm not siding with them. I see what they want me to do. They want me to join forces with them. They want me to take their advice. Cause choose 99 and it's 99 $. They want me to bring it down. Yes. No, we know ways.
By the way, Michelle, thanks for the advice, but I don't need the advice. You're not
so why you thank her feet if you don't need it? Me not thank somebody for sitting. I mean I need it.
This and that, whatever. Yes, like you said, I've been in America long enough to know what I can do. But unlike you guys, I am totally different on social media.
What difference when you're all on a lick head one time?
I'm trying to take the high road first, and if the high road doesn't work, then I will get low. And you guys can.
So what is the low road? What is the low road? You're going to take it to the courts? Well, the thing about it, I can't talk on American law, so I don't say much about this because I don't know nothing about American law. But I don't know what is the low road from. Well, I can't understand what is the high road. the high road is probably she's going through the right channels or procedure that probably is there for her to get back the money. And if there's a refusal of her getting back the money, then now she will take it to the low road. But what is the low road? I don't know. I don't know what is the low road. Is the low road courthouse? Is the low road? I can come out and come talk up some things so you know. Going to already say already and fabricate already. Me don't know what is the low road. The part they have me. You understand? But as me I say, me don't know much about American law, so me can't say nothing. But when me know for sure, if there is no refund on your ticket, when you go to the court, the judge are going to ask you, did you see that there is no refund on your ticket? I don't know if there's a pardon or an excuse or what where they are married, but me know if a Jamaica you have $1 getting back. Oh.
You rather take the low road, the real low road, and then
Real low
everything
road.
goes
So you
up, it
have
gets
the low
out of
road and a
proportion,
real.
it becomes a big old, that's not me, right? Everybody handle things differently. I know exactly what I can do. I know exactly what I could have done, but I tried to do it the right way. So I thought at first, right, to reach out to them first. Like I said, that video would be coming after the event because no matter what happened, at the end of the day, I will not bring any more destruction to the event. And you guys can call it kiss ass, kiss.
So why you already started? Why you already started? There's no other distraction you can bring than what you bring already. There is no other distraction you can bring than what you bring already. And that was your only chance. And it not work. It backfire upon you. Because as me say, you never know if they're gonna reach this stage. You just figure more or less, okay, Eventbrite will just give you back your money. You never know them are gonna refer you back to the organizers of the ceremony. And then you never know say the organizers are gonna reach out to the promoter. So everything backfire where you end up showing at the public what you were doing. You think this was going to be behind closed door with Eventbrite just giving back your money on your requests because you legitimately purchased 2 tickets. So you just figure more or less, okay, they would have just give back your money and sell the space to someone else. A backfire can you never know they'll come out in a social media like this. So there is no other opportunity you can have because if you try any other things, you know what can happen. The whole public who did in a doubt, they said, that's how it go. And all of who did I say, everybody check level different. I go realize now that you definitely didn't want to cause problem. And probably you don't want that. Because it now go look good. You know? People are going to have your name and toss all over. Because you have shown that that's what your intention was from day one. So basically, there's nothing else you can do. More than you just wait for your time where you say you wait for and if you don't get back your money, you take it low. I don't know what is low. But as me I said, no refund there. I don't know.
I don't care what you guys call it. I just saw me operate. I will take the high road until I have to go the low road. That's just me.
What's the low road?
So, yes,
I'm
thank you for
curious.
your advice, but no, thank you. Everything else that you said, Michelle, is just gibberish, and all in the past, and I'm done away with stuff like that. Okay? So.
Yo! Still a cry out say she change, she done with stuff like that. You still a cry out say you change?
Whatever you want to say, that is up to you. I'm not coming up here to argue with none of you guys. Not because I'm taking the high road doesn't mean that I'm a punk. That doesn't mean I'm a clown. It doesn't mean that I'm embarrassed. No, baby girl. It's nothing whatsoever. That I'm not going to continue to walk with my head up. I still come out and say what me have to say when me need to say it. I'm not going to go into a little corner, go hide. Everybody on social media, they can slam Queen Bee from here to eternity. It's still stand with my decision, okay?
But Queen Bee, your name now carry no weight. So what can you talk about them can always slam you and what? Your name now carry no weight, Queen Bee. Your name coming like a female one, now carry no weight at all. So you come out here, alright, watch it now. You come out here, you do what you do. And 2 day time, everything talk about. If you never come out and I make all something like a post and sitting, probably your name will not call same way. Probably all them are insecure that figure about you to them will not give you advice. Because them are insecure that say, oh, that died down. But probably you still make a little post them, which me don't know. Because you make couple after the whole incident. I don't know if you make none recently since week. Yeah. But them are insecure that figure you too. So your name now can't wait like a female man. Your name like a cock like my one.
I will take care of the whole ticket situation and the refund situation after the event. Until then, no one could bait me to come out here and act the fool over that situation. This is social media. It is not the court of law. You guys are not my jury. You're not my judge.
Okay. So now, Missy, it's the court of law is the lowest level. But the court of law should be the highest level. But probably should turn it around and say, okay, I am taking at the highest level. I'm taking the high road, where she just going to go through the procedure and request her money back. And if she don't get back her money, then she take it to the lower road. But the lower road, I can't the court road. But probably I saw the terms going to sound American. Jamaican and American have different terminology of things, you know. So let's hope that the courthouse here talk about. And then you know all the courts take are you American. I don't know if any American know if you buy something and you see it man, no refund. Especially in a case like a ticket for a ceremony. Because as I said, you can't have stipulation. A man say no refund, you go over this, you go buy a bun. And him know a spoil bun him sell you. But you have the clause no refund, him know you can't carry it back. But if you can prove say it's a spoil bun him sell you, and him not have no more bun, we're fresh, him have to give you back your money. But as I say, in this situation is a different thing. This is a ceremony where you buy your ticket, all when you lost and you don't want that money for go do a surgery. Me not think them have the right for refund you if them don't want to refund you. So me don't know about the law people, so they tell me to help me in the comment that not there for Americans. Jamaican, you talk to me no man. Make me know she have a case. Cause I come like she might not end up get back the money and she might take it to court. So make me know if she have a case.
I will take it where it needs to go if it comes to that. Alright? Alright. Anyway guys, I never come to stay long because I know everyone is looking for me to answer to all of this foolishness that's going on, and Queen Bee just gonna continue on her composure until after the event. Anything I need to do after that, that is what I will do. I will leave it up to everyone to do the right thing. If the right thing is not done, then I know what I need to do.
And what is the right thing? Is to refund your money. What if I took it to the court and said, okay, we have spent how much money and, you know, rent the place and we sell tickets according to tables. She bought her 2 tickets. She requested a refund. What that leave us with? Somebody short of a table. When we could have sold those 2 tickets long before she even requests a refund. Probably just as she buy it, we could have sold somebody it too. You understand? But as me I say again, Jamaican, me no know how no law business stay America. Remember me nah no passport. Despite them same one did say me get deport, me a deport. Me never ever take banana boat yet. And the only thing that probably would have carry me, I'm afraid of them they sitting there, I prefer flying on a plane. And me never have no passport and I never have one before. And I like me have one and it expire and me not renew it. Me never ever take out a passport, so me don't know how me deported. I must be from St. Andrea to St. Catherine or St. Anne, parish to parish.
Then I have nothing more to say to this situation. But Michelle, for you to say me a come for, girlfriend, you can't come for me. Alright? You cannot come for me. And you
So what Michelle did do, she give you advice and at the same time she burn you out. Because you're not moving fast enough to do what they would want to see. Is that so? Because she said she come for you. Cause I fear style of it, you know, when she come and the lizard goes so boom and click her on the live. Yes, are you my come for? Are you my come about? Yes, I fear style of it too. But in addressing you say she come for you and at the same time I give you advice, is it that she's trying to burn you out because you're moving too slow with your efforts in getting back your money? Me no know. Because there's some educated people, they may lead no people. Mishit work with one of the biggest law firm in America. Queen Wasp, very educated. You should articulate and you should bring her words across and stuff and how she speak and spoke. Educated persons, these may deal with me duns. So me have to be careful and tread lightly.
opinion that you have of me, that's fine because I have my own opinion of you, so it's fair game. Alright? Alright. Anyway, guys, you have a wonderful.
Anyway, I know you well want back the money still in a Queen Bee, without a doubt. The Wasp want back the money there. She now make that go down. I don't know nobody fault. It's just enough Queen Wasp. Cause you should in that situation your Queen Wasp. Cause there is no way you should even think of one go to the woman place where she keep. No way. This one show me so no heart, no mind. Uno a troublemaker. Then me could have even think about saying no, Larry the Lizard or Tina keep something over the same me talk about me ago. As somebody with support Planka Nation. And it's not a life-saving event to say me have to go because I have to save my life and I want to live again. You must be mad. How you find yourself thinking about what? Do you tell yourself say you change? You will tell yourself say you change. But you get no acceptance because of you change. So you just enough. Master tell you say you're enough, you know. Me believe now, you know. Yeah man, Master say it's enough woman, man. Salt grain enough like you. Oh, stay tuned for your friend, Master people. Remember, I two in a one you get. Hey, who know? Who over here? Where certain things like sick on the stomach. Even human beings sometimes you say, why you sick my stomach? Move, you're sick my stomach. Hey, when Master hear this a woman your voice, or see this a woman your you can see the whole complexity of Master change. What I say? It changed completely. Master have a different look. Me don't know. Me I wonder how close it is with the man with the numbers and the woman down a country. Which one of them say HATE more? Me don't know. But for me feel like the woman, trust me, despite the man who deal with that rough still, you know, but you see the woman down so. Trust me. You know when she go live upon somebody, you know, man. Worse when she know content that Marcia not like here or see her, boy. When Marcia see her, Marcia has a different look. So, make we start it here, so.
500 odd people, can you imagine? I have my name on the headline. Marcia come here. What are we me famous boy?
Oh, you mean Hollywood star Tyler Perry? How you talking about if Tyler Perry request you? Man, so remember Tyler Perry request you, you know. You just barely miss out, you know. Barely miss out and visiting Tyler Perry's studio. So you're a big superstar.
want to hear what she did over there, chat say. Hold on there. Can't get views.
Really, it must tell them enough.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? The little idiot woman over there.
So you have her up so close to your face, Marcia.
Headline. Watch out. I'm in here by headline.
Oh, you have her so close to your face. I don't like her.
Not going on social media. Mirrors. 533 people are watching bitch.
That hurt Marcia head, because Marcia now see them the numbers there. But you see she call Marcia name and have them the numbers there.
Because I plan to strike her. So I don't have nothing for her for my channel for whatever. Because I plan to strike out her ass. You understand? So that is the thing. So I don't want her voice there on my page, none at all. None at all.
None at all.
None at all.
So Marcia, I wish part she there on the strike list. I wish part me there, because I have to ask myself too. I tell you already. Leave the people them alone and go and make your money. This minute you say them make money for me. Chewy. You have to make money too. I just made it. Yeah. And the next minute you talk about strike. Them a give you content, you a give them content. YouTube now restrict you, say don't talk about she because she talk about you today. Don't talk about him because him talk about you today. So then come out for you, you come out for them. Me come out for you and you feel like come out for me, you come out for me. As me say, right now, and the black of them out there put money in your pocket. Yes man. You admit say nothing now going for your shit, you know. And you're glad you get the little work, you know. You understand? And this month end, you get one nice $500 where you never see out of YouTube yet. Y'all get more on me, you know, Marcia. But you do more content, you should get more still because I have 5-6 live for one day. But when me I say, Marcia, yeah, this month pay bill I go bigger, you know. Yes, man, yeah, this month pay bill I go bigger, man. The pay bill for July, for June, when you go get July, I go bigger. Cause right now the middle, when you if you get 500 for me, just imagine how much you get for June when the whole of this torment did go on. So low them. You soon see I get bigger money. When you come out, you want strike, your matches, your lightning, and you need money. The woman come out here for your name, you know, go back and for your name. You say the woman attack all kind of rubbish and things when I go so. So you know can't do the same thing. Talk all kind of things about her and when I go so neither. Anyway she come out here and address you, just address her. Anyway me come out here and address you, you just address me. You fool you.
So me don't want nothing fair. Over the chatting foolishness. Look at that. All she can show the dead creeper flowers.
But Marcia, you know what I want to ask you? That better feel comfortable, you lie down comfortable though, Marcia. But when I want to ask you, I'm going to pause this. When I want to ask you, Marcia, may I go back on that bed issue here where you talk about? Let me grease my throat with a little Pepsi. No woman no come talk about me sexy, a woman sexy. Me only drink little Pepsi. Marcia, me go back on that bed issue here for a little minute. You make a statement a couple weeks ago when you're moving at the place. Oh, me no sleep on all bed. Nobody can give me the whole bed for sleep on. And Ray. Oh, no, the bed argument. Me did not go right through it. And when she make this speech, me I say, well, alright. Say hotel bed exempt because you can't carry hotel, bed go hotel. So we exempt the hotel bed. So we know how the hotel bed them she attack. But she attack like anywhere she live. Nobody can get her no old bed for sleep on her. Cause she not rent now with no old bed. But the way the woman for dash her what me I said the woman have picnic. The amount of picnic piece and sitting supposed in that half and whole heap run up and down with them dirty that to them I did that big for not dash way. But come now me say in that bed you well relaxed Marcia. You know what come to mind? Are the people in bed this year in Marcia? Make me ask you something Marcia. You're afraid of dopey down at the storage, don't Marcia? So Marcia, you don't know how much dopey did in that bed there before Marcia? How much dopey could have passed in that bed there Marcia? You don't know. How you lie down in night so comfortable? Me sorry me never live near you. Because I would have to throw one stone if I'm on the door or upon the window because I make you gallop way. That the bed where you relax and comfortably in do life, Marcia. You don't know how much dopey and alive in that the bed, the Marcia good all 3, 4, 5 dopey. How you lie down comfortable? What you say? We high no see heart no leap? Me no know. We high no see heart no leap, but that you say. Then when you if somebody give you one whole bed now, Marcia, you know it's a whole bed because it might look whole. But at the same time, you don't know if piece up in night or whatsoever, just like how you lie down in this one, Marcia. A whole bed this too. And as me say, the amount of dopey could have alive, not that bed there. Just lie down and never get up. You see big chat people, sometimes when we are chatting up, we just chat and we like some big chatting about the big chat now no meaning. You understand? Because we would just call it our lyrics. But at the same time you have to be careful. Because the big chat will come around to haunt you. Yes man, big chat will come around to haunt you. Because look how Marcia she comfortable in her people in bed. Because so much auntie sister never needs fall off in that bed there. Look there.
And her view went down to about 100, about $1,900. You hear me about $900?
Money there for your mind.
$900,
You move from views to money.
That's it. If you don't have me, she don't get no views. From she gone back for me.
You are the big deal. I just said that.
From she gone back for me, she get how much views.
You expose yourself as big deal. That's why them a take set for you. So just take back set pan them.
So that's what I'm saying to you guys.
You know, if you run race enough, you say you want to make $50 with her, you know. You know, I know you make something too.
Right, you know. Yeah, look old woodpecker woman over there.
Wood what? What do you mean woodpecker?
I wish you were there to have store like people busy with her store.
Where the reality is?
From back in the 1955
The whole woodpecker?
when she a war. Yeah, I attention shallow. And I call up my name. You know where she a call up my name from?
Why? Master said the whole woodpecker.
In 29 years. And I decided to go on my own business since Corona started. June of 2020. And I started my own business until today. So, sometimes business is slow and business of them fight against me on social media. And because them fight against me, you know business is slow because black people don't support black people. Them go to the store and they go to other rich people already who have it. They don't want to support you. So, you know, when them try to fight against me, God says, okay, let me give you a little job. A little part-time job. So God give me a little part-time job where them can't take no liberty with me. So when them a cost me send a sheet now sell and nothing now come in, at least me have my little part-time work that me go to school for and if me can help myself in the meanwhile until the sheet business pick up again. You understand? So come on and support disaster happen. I can go to the government and say, listen, because of a man-made disaster, see them run out of business so they can't pay me back my money.
So that's the main reason why you have the business account, Marcia. Because you can't get back free from the government if there's some disaster. Away from that you won't have it, don't. Free again, free eye sister, you know. Who know the artist so the name free eye.
Taxes on it every year. So I'm not going out there and just like doing whatever. I have my documentation them.
But as me I say, Marcia, you know, if you could have just only sound like this at all times on social media, you know, selling your business, promoting your business in a this, you know, calm tone of voice, you know, respectfully, you know, bypass, overlook, cut your eye past certain things them where people might say because they want to draw you out, because they know you can be like a shoes lace. You know, you just easily draw out, so them just go in your comment and say what them want to say. You know, if you only could just be like this, me feel like your world would be a better world. But you now can't be like this. You know the reason why? It's how you set up your life from day one. You set up your life as a high life person. Somebody who live a high life. But financial wise, it's not dead. But you know, the presentation of you looking like, okay, you live life, yeah. That is it. You're coming like, I'm gonna tell you, let me break it down a little bit easier. You're coming like a man who are there Jamaica, and in Virgin go foreign and make it a foreigner have the most tortuous vehicles and big house. And through him have the privilege to drive the vehicle them and can go at the man house at any time. He make it look like a theme things them. You understand? So he will drive the Benz today, go look for a girl, and tomorrow I'm gonna drive the BMW, and the next day I'm gonna drive the Range Rover. You know? Yes. And it look like him have it and him pull up on the man house cars. More than likely the man go all there foreign and him have access, you know? Keep on care and stuff, and he make it look like a theme. But you see when things and times change now and him not have the access to the vehicle them, me see it happening in real life, you know. This brother yeah, borrow him friend top of the line vehicle and him friend there yard, yeah, but him not have the privilege to have it day in, day out. But him can get it. Once the man there, him can beg him a drive, him not gonna let him go. And him drive it, go look for this woman. Top of the line vehicle. Another week him drive a next one of the man vehicle, top of the line vehicle again. Man gone a foreign now, you know. Despite him already get on a woman clothes already still, you know. But sometimes, yes, you get on a the woman clothes, but you get to love with on the woman clothes. So, if she walk away, people that say probably a she lose because him use people things and catch her. You understand? But in this case, him look like him lose more because him get to love with her on the woman clothes. So what me know? Him go drive one Tida with a theme one. The Tida, him never ever drive that Tida go look for the woman, you know. I'm friend top of the line vehicle them. And the Tida with a theme one, him drive that go look for her. The girl say, where you go with that? Straight up she tell him, where you go with that? Me not driving a low class vehicle. Worse, when me meet you, never have them. I don't know where you carry me, you know. So where you go with this? Because at the same time, she want mag up and fear her friend them. So top of the line vehicle come pick her up. Something when me see already happen with me. So are you this now, Marcia? Your high life where you set up yourself? Take a toll upon you now that things change and nothing really are going because of, you know, priorities. You never set them things there straight. And know say boy watch your left corner or the deep corner. If me go to the right or the best corner, or if me travel in the middle, me can stay balanced. No, you never do that. So things and times change and things kinda get hard upon you, know, and thing. What you think? Talk about that upon you, chat about that upon you. People go and chat. Remember you're not Chinese, you know? Only Chinese race you that probably in and that not happen. But once you're in our race, worse Jamaicans chat go there upon you. Because you see all them people the way they hype up on master and I go on like you more than we could all surpass you now and gone ahead of you, them are go chat your master. Don't feel like them are going to sit down and say, oh, such is life. It can happen to any one of us. Yes, you might have a few say that, but a majority of them are going to come out here against you because of how you used to go on and your behavior. And it come down back to where me always I say, people in a life, just be yourself. Don't try to brag and boast on a body and show off on a body where you are ahead of, or you realize that you're ahead of that person no matter what you have in a life. Remember, you know, the ladder can contain 20 steps, but you can't climb the 20 step one time. What that mean? You have to take the ladder step them one by one to reach up the sun at the top of the ladder. But guess what, me now? That can take you 5 days to reach at the top of the ladder. You understand? In real talking of ladder terms then, if you take the 20 step go up there, it can take you a minute. How fast you go up there. But remember, it can take you 1 second. 1 second. It can take you if you drop off from the top there, so boom. The ladder foot can slip. Some accident a man just bounce the ladder and well I slip. The ladder foot I go slip anyway, you take it same way. And you drop right off. Bloom. And you say, oh, you have to take your time step by step and go up there. So in a life, a real life, are the same thing. No matter what we have in life, no matter what we own, no matter what we gain during life, whether we born come see it or we gain it. No show off on people, no brag on people, just live your life and live it. You know, to suit yourself. And if you can share what you have with people, you share it. It's not a must, but if you can, you do it. And you sharing what you have no mean you have to sit down and gossip with people or make people feel like, oh, they can be dependent on you. No. You pass to that, you feel like you can't give a bread there, so you give it. You can't give a buckle of water there, so you give it. You're gone by your ways. You're not friend with people. Because at the same time, those same people will try to tear you down and bring you down. We know that because we know it's a life set up. You understand? But if you can share what you have, you share it. Because remember, you know, all the wealth you have at the end of the day, we can't carry it with we. You understand? And it come back down to what me and say. You take 10 days to reach the top, and it take you a minute to drop back down. You understand? How much rich man we see? Sports personnel we see even in America there, where they on top of them game and have how much things in life. And them come right down to nothing at all. You understand what I say to you? Entertainers in Jamaica did once step on top, where people are run behind them and beg them. You understand? And where are they now? You understand? Some of them were so kind and good, so them still get assistance from people in the fraternity and other people. Some were so show off. You understand? But there are so many of them out there they're on top. Where are they now? Look upon even one such one. No one got gut, no one got belly, licky, licky. No nyami. What? Remember, you know, them man they crash, you know. And from them man they crash off a bike, you know. Them man they go through it, you know. I face it, you know. You understand what I say to you? I remember them man they did in the 80s, them man they did on top of the world. So we have to use them things there and look upon life within ourselves. You can't go on like you're more than nobody. Just live your life to suit yourself and live your life in the best way you can live it. If you can honor man and bread, you animate. Don't look down upon people through you up there, so. Because it can take you a minute to come back here, so. And probably when you come back here, so me and my way, I go up there, so. So man say this is one of the things why people is just at you in a phone because of your behavior. And then at the same time now, you start bringing out some little grudge and jealousy and some little be, you know, the M-I-N-D talk and then something there. You see what I say? So people are going to come out against you. And then what you do with this woman here, where you say was an acquaintance after you look friend, people can't take you lightly.
Every time I go and quote answer to people, but sometimes I'm going to do because it makes content, it don't put in my pocket too.
That's why me I tell you, say, leave the people them. In the entertainment world, you know, them say man a pirate and man a this and a pirate. Everybody have different visions. So if me stand up here and me say, the Malta back there, me catch a punchline. Me say me drink me Malta, but me no want no water. Me drink me Malta, me no want no water. And when me drink me Malta, me can get me data. Punchline come in my head, I go so boom, 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 boom. I go in the studio, I boom, boom, boom. Song reach #1. Boom, pan a rhythm. And next artist hear the song and right away, it inspire him. Him catch a punchline, now him say, me have to drink me water because me want. Me have to drink me water because me. And him did him catch a punchline too. And him come do a song and imitate you. But you give him a punchline where him can catch a song off and that's how it go. And that's why you find all 20 songs upon a rhythm. And then when you check it out, actually same punchline, different lyrics, but are the same punchline. But there's one man we start it. So if X down there say chat about you on social media and I make money, when you come chat about X to I make money? Eh? I don't know physical confrontation. Yeah, the miles away are X, the miles away are me, the miles away are she, the miles away are him, the miles away. But you know that for now and a half of go all the people yeah we are country now for go throw in them face. And you can't in them face. And you take it physical. And when you do that, you only give the people them more aggression to come out against you. You make the people them come out more aggressive against you verbally because of your physical threat. You understand? And then you have a problem. That you have to do, man. And make your money. You say you're a big deal. And it take bloggers out here for you get your biggest money in a social media. YouTube then, coming about Facebook.
When they make for their content, not create their content, we're going to interact too. And we're going to create little content too.
Now that you have to do?
Them now come over here, come make money, I mean, I make none.
Simple.
And when they chat them sitting on a cost too, you know, they might get money, you know. So if they come over here, come cost too, the people.
You think YouTube is if you want to come back, come tell them the same thing? Or them come tell you the same thing when you tell them? All you have to do is make sure you have a support base. That is YouTube problem. When you come out to the content, you have a support base. So when YouTube goes and dash out the ads them on your channel, your support base will watch the ads them. So then can make them money. So then can pay you and pay them staff. And that YouTube are deal. They think YouTube is what you want to say, or what him want to say, or she want to say, or me want to say. YouTube business that you make sure you have your support base and support you so we can make money off of you. You think me I make money off of you, you make money off of me, YouTube I make money off of me, I make money off of you. You're fool like.
Come and give me the views and then remember to watch the commercial part.
Yeah, you see it? All that I learn that off of other bloggers, you know. Learn that off of other bloggers, you know. You know things just out here recently where you never know and learn that off of other bloggers. And realize that is all the money I make, like when you come and you talk, oh, you need somebody to do some graphic design that you can put up some things for your phone, like some thumbnail, you say, some thumbnail, you know, and attract people. Yeah, you want somebody to do it for you. You want to pay me to do it? We can sell them by the dozen, you know. Pay in advance and send your money come. And I make them feel. Send your money come in advance. And I give my quota price. Every dozen I give you pay me X amount for it. All if I make it same way. Just tell me say you want one hand in my head. Tell me say you want me look like one cheetah. Tell me say you want me look like one junk. Yeah, anything you want me look like. I work. And I make them send come give. And if you keep the good quality, I send it in your email. Because WhatsApp, I go break down the quality. You understand? Alright. Can come to WhatsApp, you know, but it kind of break down the quality sometime.
Then please do not skip the commercial. It is very important, please.
All them they sitting there. You never know them they sitting there look like.
Thumbs up a little bit. 52 now, I should have at least 40 out of it.
Right now, what? 2,158 views and I want 42 likes.
So if you like
All them something me a man say, this not look good. See a big deal, this not look good. Can you imagine 2,158 views in 17 hours and a 42 likes you have?
That is all. Before we get in the argument, tonight we're going to talk about.
These are the same people with up on your platform. Strike him! Strike her! Yes, Marcia, I can't wait for you to do it. Yes, Marcia, do this, do that. Yes, Marcia. But 8 still, them not support your page. Can you imagine? 2,100 had views in 17 hours and you only have 42 likes. You never find 100 likes out of 2,000 had? Come on, Marcia. It not look good. This not look good. And these are the things you have to sort out. Instead of think about strike people, you run some of them off of your page, man. Run some of them off of your page because they don't mean you're not good. 42 likes. No, sir. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. Come to the end of another video. Bless upon yourself. You know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. I soon take time gradually I support now. I see the comment them a come out. You know, I see the views them, I see the subscription I go up. And this me want. Because this will help me. To give me the drive to carry the content too. No? Alright? Remember, Tamika Douglas, Life with Gabby and Chevy, the two of them YouTube link in the comment section. Just hit the blue writing and hit subscribe and get on a subscription. 10 subscription a week. May I beg you not to them reach the 1,000 them depend them own for get them watch hours. Alright? And remember the cash app pin in the comment section. Like $, Life is a Mission TV. I'm out.